Most of the word problems are pretty basic, but we do have a few that have systems of equalities. So I want to go over one of these that has a systems. This particular problem talks about red and black bones. We'll use R for red and B for black. The doghouse sold 130 black and red bones for a total of $237.50. If the red bones cost $1.25 and the black bones cost $2.50, how many of each did they sell? Well, I can really see the money kind of jumping out there, so that's what I want to find first. I have red bones that cost $1.25. So I have this red bone, $1.25 for the red, plus the black bones cost $2.50. But that total income for the bones was $237.50. So this is what I gleaned from the money. Then I have a total of 137 that were sold. So if I take the red plus the black that were sold, I sold 137 total. Now, you can do this without decimals. You can multiply all of this by 10 or 100, and this becomes 125, 250, but you have to remember to multiply this one also, and that's 23,750. Although the numbers are larger, it's kind of nice not to have all the decimals. I'm going to keep them just for keepsake, and I'm going to use the process of elimination, and I'm going to eliminate the r's. To do that, I'm going to multiply this bottom by 1.25. Everything on the bottom row by 1.25. So I'm going to repeat the top, 1.25r plus 250b is equal to 237.50. And now I'm going to multiply on the bottom by negative 1.25. So I have negative 1.25r minus 1.25b is equal to 130, you need to have your calculator out and ready, times negative 1.25. And I got negative 162.50. When we combined these, what we did was eliminate the r's. That was our whole purpose, to get rid of one of the variables. Then you had 250 minus 125 is 125b. And then you have 237.50 minus 162.50, and you get 75. Solving for b, dividing by 1.25, 75 divided by 1.25 is 60. So what that tells us is that we sold 60 black bones. Well, if I go back and maybe I think to plug it into this particular equation right here because it seems easier, so I have r plus 60 is equal to 130. Subtract 60 from both sides, and that leaves 50. That does not leave 50, that leaves 70. Sorry about that. So the red bones are 70. Easy to check, and you need to watch what it asks for. It asks for how many of each you have. So the black bones are 60 and the red bones are 70. It may ask for only the red bones or only the black bones. And this is easy to check. You just go back in your handy-dandy calculator. You're going to say 60 is the number of black bones, and black bones cost $2.50. You're going to multiply that times 250. Plus 70 red bones, and I'm going to multiply that times 1.25. And that's going to give me the total of $237.50. And so that's the way I can confirm that I've got the right numbers and I've got the right number with the right color. So that's my systems. If you're given coins, again, just as a reminder, for quarters you would put 25 cents. Pennies you would put 0.01, 1 cent. Nickels, 5 cents, 0.05, etc.